So guys, today we will discuss about what is metapopulation, and it is the small topic that comes in ecology part. Okay, so first thing you need to know what's the meaning of population. So population is a same species member that can be living on the same area will be calling as a population. Like a many dog same species member is living in the same area, we will call that dog population. Okay, so uh, I have diagram this. This is your main species, as you can see here, A species, and during somehow this have isolated itself into subspecies. That one A1 subspecies, A2 and A3 subspecies. Okay, and this can be natural event or this can be artificial event that your main species have isolated into subspecies. Okay, so these subspecies are totally independent from their main species, but somehow they are having some gene flow between them. Okay, so during this reproductive season their members can be coming and coming in and coming out when during only reproductive season. Okay, besides that it's your subspecies totally independent. Okay, so let's see, Lewis was the first scientist that introduced us this word metapopulation. Okay, he said it's Lewis own word. What's the meaning is metapopulation? He said that it is a population of populations. Don't need to confuse between it. Understand this term, a population of populations, because many populations are here, A1 subspecies, A2 and A3 we are calling is a small populations. So these are a population of populations. So meta population is kind of a population of populations. Okay, now uh, Lewis was researching about the pest or predator model, working on agriculture field. While this model, metapopulation model, broadly applied on many demographic models. Okay, while it can be animals or while it can be fishes, it can be terrestrial ecosystem or it can be applied on your marine ecosystem. Okay, so it is broadly applied on many ecosystems. So now you have understand one term, that meta population consists a population of different populations, it consists many populations. Okay, so during some demographic isolations your main species have isolated itself into different kind of subspecies, and these subspecies are totally independent to each other, while they can be their member can be incoming into their main species while reproductive season. Okay, while coming a reproductive season. Okay, now during the study of metapopulation a effect can be found, that is rescue effect. Okay, now first, that is your rescue effect. Okay, rescue effect. Now I want to tell you that larger your species, or you can say larger your population, the minimum expectation of reducing or declining itself, or you can say minimum possibilities of their extension. The lesser the number of your species, the higher the rate of this extension. Or let's say I want to tell you that lesser the number, more probability of your extension, more probability of extension. So whose will have extension rate higher? Your subspecies have more percentage or more probability of extension rather than your main species, because main species is a stable community because many of the members have been in them. Okay, while your subspecies created earlier and many new or less members can be found in your subspecies, that's why it's have the greater probability of their extension. So during their extension effect can be found, that is your rescue effect. What does it say? it says that immigrant come to the subspecies and rescue themselves. Okay, if this is coming to the extension and some of the members will come this area, or you can say immigrate this area, like this, these members have immigrate, then it will enhance their complexity or enhance their survivalship. Okay, so their extinction rate will be decline. Okay, I want to say you that the immigrant will come to the subspecies and will enhance their survivalship conditions or will decline their extinction rate. That's why we call them rescue effect. They are coming into the subspecies as a rescuer. Okay, now you will get I hope you will getting my point. Okay, so these members have come to the subspecies will be called as rescuer. Okay, because what they are doing, because they are giving a complexity to the subspecies and they are declining their extinction rate. Okay, so let's write down one thing. Extinction rate will be the number of members. Okay, so extinction rate will be invert proportional to the number of members in a species. If your numbers of member species higher, then your extinction rate will be decline, while number of species will be lesser in your community, then extinction rate will be higher. This thing is going on your subspecies, and some members can be coming down here. That's why we can call it that gene flow is going on between the meta populations. So this population, A1 population and A2 population and A3 population will be called as meta population. Okay, so this thing you need to write down, that extinction rate is inversely proportional to the number of members in a species. Okay, if its number is higher, the extinction rate will be lesser. The greater the members, the extinction rate will be lesser. Okay, now these subspecies will be called as metapopulation. This thing your Lewis scientist said in his own words, it's a population of populations. Okay, now why they have divided, there can be some reasons. There can be natural event, there can be flood or any natural event, or it can be some artificial event. Okay, that's why your demographic isolation is happened. That's why your main species have divided into 3 species. Okay, 3 subspecies. So this is metapopulation and this is rescue effect. For decline their extension, for decline the extension rate of subspecies, some members of your main species will come or immigrate into your subspecies and enhance their survivalship. Okay, so that is all about the metapopulation. I hope guys you will get it, and if you don't get it, then repeat the video. I hope guys you will absolutely get it. Okay, if you have any problem, then comment down below. We'll be coming to the next video with the new topic. Thanks.